Hello, I am recording the video and today's topic is JDS Solutions WinRetail. About JDS Solution WinRetail. JDS Solutions flagship POS software product is called WinRetail. Its features include automated purchase order management, streamlined transaction processing, connectivity between the sales floors and office, and mobile capacity. It also incorporates inventory management software which function at the store and warehouse level in addition to its compatibility with client e-commerce ventures. WinRetail POS software provides a client with business analytics, general price changing, price charges related to limited time sales, customer relationship management, and loss prevention components. WinRetail's Power Reporter function keeps everyone in a business up to date on sales trends and comes instant with a variety of report types. The WinRetail systems itself can be integrated with a number of other point of sale software applications, including Seriesware and Tradewine. Some of its other features include a customer history function, which allows for tailoring offers to specific customer and an automated capacity for opening and closing store based on their business hours. JDS Solutions customer support and service is available 24 into 7. JDS Solutions, a Carlsbad, California based point of sale software and retail management software developer, attained the top rank in a retail info system software leaderboard of 9 different categories in December 2013, including quality of support, return on investment, and customer satisfaction. About the team, technology advice purpose is to create opportunity for technologies buyer, technology vendor, our team members, and our communities. At Technology Advice, we pride ourselves on helping B2B tech buyers manage the complexity and risk of the buying process. We are a trusted source of information for tech buyer, delivering advice and facilitating connection between our buyer and the world's leading seller of business technology. Established in 2006 out of our founders' dorm room, we continue to expand our business. In 2021, we acquired Tech Republic, and in 2020, we acquired Queen Street B2B, both leading resources for IT and business decision makes. This critical equation include the global team of dynamic technology and media professionals to enhance our presence in the US, the UK, Singapore, and Australia. We now have more than 20 digital media brands and over 500 global team members representing 12 languages. Technology Advice has been named as one of the INC 5000 list of America's fastest growing private companies 6 times, as well as inclusion in the Inc. Best Workplace list of for 2021. In 2019, Technology Advice received a Nashville Business Journal Small Business Award and was named the market mover in the Nashville Chambers Next Award. We are also a 6 time recipient of the annual Tennessee Top Workplace Awards. Our values: be transparent. As stakeholder of TA, we deserve to have honest, open, and consistent information about our business from leadership. Every employee, no matter the level on the org chat, is responsible for being transparent with their managers and peers about their work. Make calculated decision. We collaborate across teams to ensure our decisions are in the best interest of our business. We value calculated data driven business decision that balance diligence and speed. Crave knowledge. We strive to continually increase our knowledge, deepen our understanding, and invest in our personal and professional growth. Challenge mediocrity. Mediocrity. We attack our goals with passion and a sense of urgency. We hold each other accountable and always strive to produce result above and beyond expectations. Value each other. We go out of our way to lift each other up, applaud victories, and communicate with respect and honesty. We genuinely care about the success of the team, and we strive to motivate, encourage, and develop one another. Term of use. The following describe the term and condition on which technology advice offers you access to its services. Please read this term of use carefully before using the website. Technology Advice LLC and its subsidiary provide the website and the related services to you, the user, whether an individual or organization. As a condition of your use of the service, the user agrees to these terms of use, use without limitation or qualification along with the technology advice privacy policy, which in hereby incorporate into this agreement by reference. Should you not agree to the terms of this agreement, please do not use the website or the related service. Technology advice may amend this agreement from time to time by posting new terms of use to the website. Users are required to check this agreement for update periodically, and technology advice has no obligation to inform users of any amendments to the agreement. Any use by a user of the website or service after the new terms of use are posted shall be deemed to constitute agreement by user to the amended agreement. First, access eligibility. Second, registration your account. Third, electronic communications. Fourth, term. Fifth, ownership of services. Sixth, user provided content. Seventh, third party content. Eighth, grant of license. Ninth, third party links. 10th, linking and RSS feeds. 11th, interaction. 12th, use of user information. 13th, responsibilities regarding user provide content. 14, prohibited content. 15, violation of this agreement. 16th, lawful use. 17th, no disruption. 18th, intellectual property infringement. 19th, disclaimer of warranties. 20, assumption of risk. 21, limitation of liability. 22, indemnification. 23, governing law and venue. 25th, assignment. 26, force. Thank you.